Ever wondered how to create a beautiful, harmonious landscape? Well, it's not as complicated as you might think. Today, we're embarking on a quest to uncover the basic principles of landscape design. These principles are crucial for any do-it-yourself homeowner aiming to enhance their outdoor space. We'll be exploring 6 main principles: unity, balance, proportion, focalization, sequence, and rhythm. Each principle plays a unique role in creating an appealing and functional landscape. So, are you ready to dive into the world of landscape design? Let's get started. First off, let's talk about unity and balance, 2 foundational principles of landscape design. Unity in landscape design is all about creating a sense of oneness and harmony. It's the thread that ties every element together, making your outdoor space feel cohesive and well-planned. On the other hand, balance is about creating a sense of equilibrium. It's ensuring that no single element overpowers the others, but rather, they all work together to create a pleasing visual experience. Remember, unity creates harmony and balance brings equilibrium. Both are essential for a beautiful landscape. Moving on, let's explore proportion and focalization, 2 more key principles of landscape design. Proportion refers to the size relationship between elements in the landscape. For instance, a towering tree may dwarf a small garden bench, disrupting the sense of harmony. Focalization, on the other hand, is about directing visual attention to a certain point in the landscape. This could be a vibrant flower bed or an ornamental fountain. Keep in mind, proportion keeps things in scale, while focalization draws the eye. Both are crucial for a visually appealing landscape. Lastly, we'll delve into sequence and rhythm, the final 2 principles of landscape design. Sequence refers to the arrangement of elements to create a specific visual path. Think of a winding garden path that leads the eye from one beautiful bloom to the next. On the other hand, rhythm is all about repetition, creating a sense of movement. Imagine a row of identical trees, each one a beat in the visual symphony of your garden. Don't forget, sequence creates a path and rhythm creates movement. Both are key to a dynamic landscape. To wrap up, we've covered the 6 principles of landscape design: unity, balance, proportion, focalization, sequence, and rhythm. Remember, unity brings harmony, balance creates equilibrium, proportion ensures scale, focalization draws attention, sequence provides smooth transition, and rhythm adds a sense of movement. Understanding and applying these principles can lead to beautiful, harmonious landscapes. Thanks for joining in on this journey through landscape design principles. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy landscaping!